Hello, I'm Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services. We're installing a lot of electric car charging points at the moment. There is such a wide choice on the car chargers, whether it's in size, position, and also the type of install that is required. Please take a look through this video. There are many types of car charging points and they're all pertinent to different vehicles and properties. Please look through this video to see the various variants we have installed recently so we can have further discussions about how you wish to proceed with electric car charging point. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.